Here, we have a blind person navigating herself around TP's Level 6 design studio to the general office. As she leaves the studio via the automated door, she approaches a narrow corridor. The obstacles she faces, such as the heavy door, makes it difficult for her to access the elevator. The security lock-in is difficult to fathom, being the height is unsuitable. Upon entering the elevator, it is difficult to identify the buttons allocated to whichever level. The tactile indicators that are supposed to be placed upon the entrance of the elevator to aid the blind person are also missing. As the elevator accesses another level, the floor level isn't announced via an audio announcement, giving much confusion. Another pinnacle problem is the missing braille, which is rudimentary in aiding the blind to navigate themselves around. As she exits the elevator, she walks along the corridor, which is of an acceptable width. As she walks along the ramp, the railing handle is just the right height of 850 mm, which allows the blind person to guide herself along the way. The ramp isn't too steep either, making it easier to maneuver around safely. The width of the ramp is spacious and does not obstruct traffic. Upon reaching the general office, the blind person collides against an obstacle attached to the wall, which does not follow the requirements of the BCA guidelines. The limit of the protruding object should not be more than 100 mm. Reaching the general office, the blind person decides to return to the studio via the staircase. At the end of the ramp is a staircase. The staircase railing height is just right, standing at 900 mm from floor level. The width is just right as well as the thread and riser for allowing the blind person to comfortably walk up the stairs successfully. Here, we have a wheelchair-bound scenario, which is replicated as the wheelchair-bound person faces adverse problems similar to the visually impaired, such as maneuvering through the narrow walkway, and accessing the lift through the heavy doors. With the suggested implemented safety guidelines, we believe that this will allow TP to be a safer place for the disabled to maneuver around easily and move in a safer manner.